Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the new Siri 2.0 on iPhone iOS 18, and you can get Siri AI on your iOS 18. It's really easy and simple, guys. I'm going to guide you on how to do this step by step. So first things first, of course, you want to go ahead and check for the iOS 18 update. So before getting started, make sure your device is actually updated to iOS 18. So to do this, just go to Settings, click on General, and then click on Software Update. And if an update is available, just tap Download and Install to get the latest iOS version. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to enable Siri in Settings. So after your iPhone is basically on iOS 18, go to Settings and then go to Siri and search and ensure that Listen for Hey Siri toggle is turned on, so you can basically use Siri hands-free. Then of course you need to set up Siri for Siri 2.0. If you haven't set up Siri yet, or you want to retrain it, simply tap on Setup Siri in the Siri and search settings. Then just follow the on-screen prompts to, speak a few phrases, helping basically Siri understand your voice and activating its AI features. And then of course, guys, with Siri 2.0, you'll experience smarter capabilities. So Siri now has more context, allowing it to perform tasks more efficiently. So you can use Siri to complete tasks such as reading emails, managing your calendar, or controlling smart home devices with more intuitive commands. And then, guys, of course, you want to go ahead and explore Siri's new AI-driven suggestions, because Siri now offers more personalized and proactive suggestions. So you want to try asking questions like, "What's my schedule for today?" or "Remind me to pick up groceries later." Okay, and Siri will provide more useful and tailored answers, making it feel like a true virtual assistant. And of course, guys, you can go ahead and create custom Siri commands or shortcuts. So to make sure, to make Siri even more powerful, what you can do is you can use the Shortcuts app to create custom voice commands for your favorite tasks, and you can automate processes like opening apps, sending messages, or just adjusting smart home settings with a simple voice command. For example, create a shortcut to say good morning, and Siri will read your calendar, weather, and play music. Right? And you can also use Siri's new AI to automate tasks. So Siri 2.0 can also learn your habits over time. So try asking Siri to do tasks that it can now automatically suggest based on your preferences and a location. You can also ask Siri for more advanced tasks like send a message to Jane at 6 p.m. and Siri will automatically understand the context. So with these steps, guys, you're all set to take advantage of Siri 2.0 and its enhanced capabilities on your iPhone with iOS 18. So I hope this guide was of any value to you. And if it was, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.